Are you tired of looking at your clean and boring roof? You are in luck because today we are going to give you some creative ideas on how to decorate your roof and give it a fresh new glow. The ceiling of our room is often overlooked when it comes to interior design, but it can be a key element in creating a beautiful and functional space. Today, we are going to give you some creative ideas on how to design your room ceiling. One option is to add a coffee ceiling. This is the type of ceiling that features recessed panel which can create a sense of depth and dimension in the room. It's a classic and elegant design that works well in traditional and modern interiors. Another option is to add wood paneling to your ceiling. This is a great way to add warmth and texture to a room, and it works particularly well in bedrooms and living rooms. You can choose from a variety of wood finishes from light and natural to dark and rich. If you want to add a sense of drama and sophistication to your room, consider a tray ceiling. This is a type of ceiling that features a recessed central panel which can be painted or decorated to create a focal point in the room. It works particularly well in dining rooms and formal living rooms. If you want to add natural light and a sense of spaciousness to your room, consider adding a skylight to your ceiling. This is a great way to bring in sunlight and create a connection to the outdoors. It's particularly effective in rooms with high ceiling or limited natural light. One modern roof design idea is a flat roof. Flat roofs are simple, clean, and minimalist, and they work particularly well in modern and contemporary homes. Flat roofs are also practical as they provide extra outdoor space that can be used as a rooftop garden or a space for solar panels. Another modern roof design is the butterfly roof. This roof design features two angled roof surfaces that slope inward towards each other, creating a valley in the middle that resembles a butterfly wings. The butterfly roof design provides a unique and striking visual element to home, and also allow for large windows and natural light to enter the house. So there you have it, some creative ideas for designing your room ceiling. Whether you choose a covered ceiling, wood paneling, and tray ceiling, or a skylight, your ceiling can be beautiful and functional element in your interior design. So we hope you enjoyed our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more home decor inspiration videos, and don't forget to like the button.